What's going on, guys? Reggie P here. I just want to jump on here right quick to tell you about my new channel. It's called Hustle, Grind, and Grow. And on that channel, I'm going to talk about finance, increasing your income, and personal development. So I'm going to give you tips and habits that will help you be successful in your business and in life. So I want you to do me a favor, go over there and check out this video here, top 3 people that made the most money in 2020 and 4 powerful secrets to master self-discipline. Go check out both of those videos, guys. I'm sure you're going to love it. Once you get over there, please like the videos and subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to start giving away money on that channel too. So you guys are going to be able to get some free money on AppGrind channel and on Hustle, Grind, and Grow. So all you got to do is just scroll down to the description, click on the link. It'll take you right to the page. All right, thank you. I really appreciate you guys' support. So let's hustle, grind, and grow. Get your grind on right now.